Imagine closing deals faster than ever. Mass texting with BullTrail lets you reach all your clients instantly. In a competitive market, effective communication is your secret weapon. Let's explore how this tool can transform your strategy. BullTrail offers pre-built templates tailored for real estate. These templates save you time and ensure professionalism. But what if you want a personal touch? Let's dive into creating custom templates that reflect your unique style. With BullTrail, you can also use the AI Smart Assistant. It crafts perfect messages effortlessly, adapting to your needs. This feature ensures your communication is always on point, making client interactions seamless and effective. Meet agents who've revolutionized their client interactions with mass texting. They've seen faster deals and happier clients. Personalized, timely communication has made all the difference in their success stories. Imagine the impact of reaching clients at the right moment. Mass texting leads to quicker responses and satisfied clients. It's a game changer, turning potential leads into closed deals efficiently. Let's recap. Mass texting is your key to effective client engagement. By using BullTrail, you streamline your communication process, making it more efficient and impactful. It's time to elevate your real estate business. By embracing mass texting, you'll enhance your client interactions and close deals faster. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can transform your business. Don't miss out on the benefits it offers. Start using mass texting today with BullTrail. Take the first step towards revolutionizing your communication strategy. Together, we can make your real estate business thrive. Let's get started.